This very simple survey was able to generate me 2,091 leads. I'm gonna bring up the screenshot here because if you know anything about me, I'm gonna show you the proof. You know, I'm one that, you know, if we're gonna talk facts at the end of the day. 2,091 leads, you could see the number right here, 2,091 leads. Now I'm gonna show you in this video using this whiteboard that I just put up. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this as well. Very, very simple, using purchase leads. This is actually something that's not talked a lot about. We're gonna talk about it today. So I actually purchased those leads. Purchased, okay? So I went ahead and purchased leads from a partner, right? A reliable partner. So we ran some tests before we, you know, took it a little further. For that specific list there that you saw, we bought about 10,000 leads and we had about 2,000 come on board. And that was for a very specific vertical, okay? And you saw the screenshot up there. So now, one of the first things I did was sent it to a survey. This is a survey that aligned with the leads. So the leads had already opted in. They were interested in that specific subject. And you could do this again for any vertical. You could do this for any vertical, this exact approach. You could do this to send law firm leads, plumber leads, accounting leads, I'm telling you right now. So I had a basic survey, you know, this is just a basic survey with some questions that aligned with the lead and needed to align with the lead so we could get them on a call or add it to our list. But for that specific example, to be completely transparent, the ones that didn't meet our match or didn't fill it out, we just exit them out. The ones that we kept, then I'm just gonna draw a little star here. We just added them to our list. Added to list, okay? But you can do anything. I mean, if you wanted to, I could have, you know, send them to a booker and so on and so forth. But a lot of those leads, they were closed online. Well, what you could also do as well is send them to a by phone survey, okay? So take the same exact approach. You could ask some questions through audio, right? And I always recommend using your voice. So with those leads, we either exit them out or we sent them to our appointment booker. I'm just gonna erase this real quick. Appointment booker. All right, so appointment booker. Now, when you try to do this manually, it takes forever. When you try to do this, it takes a long time. Luckily for you, you know, we were able to test this out and we had some pretty good results. Over 2,091 leads, as you just saw, running surveys online, and by phone. And with this system right here, if they met our preferences, exactly how we had it set up, they'll be sent to our appointment booker. And this is exactly how you fill up your calendar super quick. You should be hitting the thumbs up on this video as I'm doing this, because I just dropped a lot of good gems here. I just purchased leads. You could do this with PPC if you want all day, but there are data companies out there that sell leads, and I'm going to talk about that in the training as well. I intend on giving you more value than I've ever done before in this upcoming platform. This upcoming platform is going to allow you to generate IVRs and online surveys and take this entire process. So all you got to keep doing is dumping leads into this entire system. And not just one individually, this entire system, so that you can fill your calendar. Now you have a real system in place, and now you're generating leads. And again, you could do this for any vertical: lawyers, doctors, dentists, accountants. You can keep them busy all day and even keep yourself busy if you manage to come across a partner that's able to provide you with business leads. So it works. It works. And so that's what we're coming with in the next couple of weeks. We're going to be releasing an AI IVR platform that's going to allow you to generate surveys call forward, set preferences that are going to allow you to filter out leads, discard leads that aren't worth it, and even track calls in real time. This is an absolute game changer, and we're including AI technology that's going to allow you to systemize this even further. We have an incredible team behind this. I'm excited for this. Hit the thumbs up on this video and drop a comment down below. I hope you're excited for this. I hope you're excited. We're excited over here. So with that being said, I hope you got value out of this video. We got dates and times coming soon. As this video ends, somewhere around here, I'm just going to drop a video to our announcement video. Go check that out. And again, the more we continue to hear from you, the better. Come on, I just showed you the proof. Let me bring up the screenshot one more time. I'll just bring it up for you. You got the proof right here. You see these leads right here, right? 2,091 leads using what? And I'll just bring the survey back up. I'll bring the survey back up. A simple survey that where you could send those leads to businesses or even sell those leads. Come on. Come on, man. All right, speak to you guys soon.